Hey MechWarrior, welcome back to Open Plays MechWarrior5. We're in Caledonia here, and I did a little bit of looking around between recording and decided I was going to go over here to Alcurops, I don't know, and take out that Scorched Earth, the demolition contract there. Clan salvage, rocks the world, fills the bank. That's what mercenaries is all about. That's the best way to know you're doing good. You got lots of good mechs and lots of good stuff, and you're not hurting for money. A 95 difficulty 900 tonner, so we're not going to pull any punches on this one. We're not going for money either. But 8 million's how much I would have made. Get 9 of these. 37 and still get 4.5.
Heads up, Commander. Weather conditions in the area will restrict visibility and have an effect on your sensors.
I think I'm going to bump that one up a little bit. Though 90 for an alpha is pretty darn good. Got the Blood Ass putting out 76, and this one just whacking it down. We'll take him. We can go ahead and sell him. And 4-4, and sell him. Like I said, after peeling out the good bits, they're still making 4.5 each. We'll make sure she's good in it. Yeah, she's alright. Yep, as in mastered. Let's go sling some whatever Gauss rifles for firing.
Attention, prepare for battle mech departure. Warning, hangar doors opening. Stand clear.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
The nav point marked on your tactical display is the objective. We have been contracted to render the whole facility uninhabitable. I'll monitor your progress from the dropship and report when our employer is satisfied with the work.
The Gauss rifle's damage does drop off over distance. It's a priest.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Beats all about this universe. Stick your head up here, buddy.
Ghost reporting. Reporting enemy forces reduced. Sir, this is Flash. It's all about me.
Target acquired.
Affirmative.
So that's almost like
Ghost reporting. Reporting you salvage. Sir, this is Flash. Another one for the kill board. Fun time.
the rest of the demolition job up to you, Commander.
Flash here. Another one for the kill board.
They're operating at reduced efficiency. Keep on smashing.
They don't wish us something. It's on the other side of a wall. More directly on the side.
This is Ghost. Reporting enemy forces reduced.
I need a damage assessment, goddammit! The HQ can't take much more of this!
The area is down to half capacity. Keep going. You're almost there, Commander. Only 25% of this area remains.
Long shot here. Enemy destroyed.
New target rifle.
Looking for the shot. This is Ghost. Enemy mech destroyed.
You did it, Commander. This whole place has been flattened. Now, let's get out of here before more trouble arrives. Head to the evac zone.
It's on the other side of that ravine. Yeah, there's a hole.
Flash here. Good shot, huh?
The
Target
overall
locked.
picture, So one important thing in this ravine is running on the
Long shot here. Target destroyed.
Victory is ours, Commander. Prepare for evac.
purple battle mech leader. 37 picks will not get me the Warhammer. That's a bunch of AMSs for 3 points each. Every one of my mechs should have one. At least one in every lance. 25 picks left. Looks like I'm gonna be selling whatever I get. Might as well get the best one I can. Any AMS ammo? No. Ah. Nope. That's the best I could do. Needless to say, I was busy destroying things. So were they. Gave her a chance to kill the mechs. Hmm. 52 days, almost halfway. Objective raid, why not? Okay, Russell Haig doesn't like me a whole lot, but Hoodoo Desert at Dawn. Only 9 solid chairs. Gotta pay for the fuel somehow. Same same cast of clowns. Got the hiccups here. Still Bill. Ever noticed that 3-second countdown's closer to 5?
Our employer wants us to destroy a number of communication towers located at the marked objectives. I'm reading a heavy amount of hostile chatter in the area, so let's get this job done and get the hell out of here.
Target acquired.
Sir, this is Flash. See that?
Once you've found the targeted asset, move up to it, and we'll begin the recovery procedure. That's close enough. Ready to start pickup operation.
Yeah, I got the habit of picking up all that because
Package acquired.
those little loot catches might be the difference in a profitable mission and not in the early game. So it's good to maintain the habit. That's my opinion.
Target acquired.
Objective down.
Commander to all units. Unidentified battle mechs on the field. Take them out.
Sir, this is Flash. It's all about me.
Mr. Behind a rock. Okay, stuck on the rock. Know where I wanted to go. I was just saying that. This one's going to be in around and back.
Walk on up to the treasure to pick it up.
I'm detecting unidentified mechs in the area. Moving in to investigate.
Excellent find, Commander. Beginning recovery now.
Ghost reporting. Goodbye.
Target acquired.
Copy target.
Target destroyed.
Another death by 1,000 cuts.
acquired. Target acquired.
I should have got him.
Target destroyed. Target acquired. Incoming missile.
This is Ghost. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Target destroyed. Target destroyed. Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Ghost reporting. Target eliminated.
Target down. Hostile transport ship coming in.
This is Ghost. Reporting enemy forces reduced. Ghost reporting. Looks like salvage.
Target destroyed.
This is Longshot. Update the kill board.
Target acquired.
Still gotta get some fusion stuff back here.
Okay, sir.
Target acquired. Target destroyed. Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Uh-huh.
Your evac has been cut off. Our employers have made it crystal clear.
Target
You are not
acquired.
to leave this world. Surrender.
Let's
Now.
get my lamps together.
Sir, this is Flash. Good shot, huh?
New target charging.
Roger that. Confirming target.
Target destroyed. Target acquired. Target destroyed. Incoming missile. Target destroyed. Target acquired. Target destroyed. Target destroyed.
A stunning defeat for us. A supreme victory for you. Well done.
Somebody's still blowing these. You see them?
Target acquired.
Roger that. Longshot here. Got it, sir.
Brilliant. Payload acquired.
Not too bad. You know, depending on the salvage available. Not so good without the XL engine included. Already got one of these. Not this one. What I got is... I forget, but it was only 85 ton. I can't figure out how they could have justified opening this up to 100. It was supposed to be an 80. Yeah, unfortunately all the big stuff is in the sphere. Run that leaderboard. Except for damage taken. That's a badge of honor. Sort of. I think we're just gonna sell. 107, that works. Where do we stand? 23 days, huh? Let's see if I got time and can find one. Thinking about doing a medium free-for-all. Yeah, I don't think that Mad Cat is... suitable for a human player, or for me, the human player, simply because I can't do anything up close, or not a lot, or even defend itself up close once I get in and down. Let's do this one instead. Not. Nobody fights for free. Well, the grizzly. I hate it when they do this. Can't see them. Orion. That's a 55 ton, huh? Okay, we'll include. That will be our slot 4. And we're going to put Ghost in slot 4. Not that Mad Cat. This Mad Cat. Right. I'm gonna go light with the Orion, with the Grizzly. Now, all of these are clan mechs. Ah, shucks.
Here's have the green light. Let's go.
Yeah. No, I don't think so. Now
Target Marauder.
Roger that.
Can't believe I'm not seeing missiles flying.
I copy.
Target acquired.
Making it look easy. Another opponent falls.
Okay, sir.
Direct hit. Their offensive weapons just took a hit. Mason casts another opponent aside. Oh, Mason strikes down another opponent. He's acquitting himself well out there. Mason has emerged victorious. He really gutted out that victory.
Yeah, remember that. This one's
Effective
AI.
strike. Another mech destined for the salvage yard.
Yeah. No kills, but 4 mechs went down. How's that work out? Remember I was showing you ammo explosions don't count as kills? There you see it. Ammo explosions do not count as kills. I think we're gonna have to put him away and take one of these other ones instead. I think here's what I should have taken. Folks, we're going to call that an episode of Upper Plays MechWarrior5. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and mostly come back for more. Hope it's gone.